Namaskar, and I welcome you all to our podcast named Weekly Emotional Workout with Priyanka Kapoor, where we discuss about various topics related to mental and emotional health. As you see, nowadays, stress has become the new norm. We are under so much stress or pressure of everyday life that we forgot living life happily. So today we are going to understand and learn from Priyanka what to do about this stress and how to manage this stress. So welcome Priyanka.
Hi, Vasundhara. Thank you so much. I'm back here again after another week. Yeah, nowadays everyone is so busy with their work and everything that they have actually stopped taking care of themselves. So the nowadays stress has become so much in all everywhere that they just don't have any time for anything. So the whole life has become extremely stressful, you know. So it's very important to have a balance in our life where each and every activity is concerned, you know. So yeah, so it's very important to have some stress free routine as well, rather than having only stressful routine. So because everyone is working and running after their work and and health and stuff like that, so everyone is so stressful to achieve their goals that people have just forgotten how to actually remain calm. So there are a few strategies which you should always inculcate in your daily routine so that you become little more less stressful, you know, in life.
Yes, yes. So yes, Priyanka. So how to what are the parameters of life? Like we have understood from you in your sessions from emotional management course. What are the parameters and what is the wheel of life or circle of life?
Right. So there is something called wheel of life. I think I'll explain to you better with the this particular diagram. Can you see this?
Yes, yes.
So this is basically called a wheel of life, and people who are too stressful, so they should try to understand whether that each and every part of this wheel is like segregated with different things like family and friends, significant others, that's your personal relationships, like your wife or your loved ones, fun and recreation, health, money, personal growth, physical environment, career. So everything needs to be taken care of. The thing is, like we have this wheel of life where all these areas of our life has to be taken care of. And when nowadays people are mostly taking care of their career only most of the time. Like most of the time people are running after the career. So what is happening is the other areas are not actually taken care of properly, you know. So people are running after career or they are running after money. People are, because of too much of career and money, people are ignoring their health. Many people don't even have time to have their fun and recreation in their life. And also they don't give time to their family and friends. So personal growth is also one of the most important thing. Personal growth comes into the category like meditation and spiritual stuff, you know, something like that, where they can grow internally. So there are so many things which we need to take care of, but nowadays people are running after career and money so much that they have forgotten their personal life, you know. So
Yes,
because of
yes.
that, this is an exercise which everyone can do, where they can actually rate themselves from 0 to 1 here and mark themselves where do you stand, like 0 being the least and 10 being the highest. Actually you are supposed to have at least like around 7 of each, but many people have their Family also, many people are relationships, they are going through a lot of problems, where they have very bad relationships in their families. Because of that, their score is going to become around 2 or 3. Then suppose their career is very high, but that they don't have any fun and recreation, so their score is less. So the more rounder it is, the more rounder this wheel is, the more better,
balanced.
the more balanced your life is. So you need to make sure that all your scores are around 7 8, and then you can just make an arch around here. So whenever you just make an arch here, so the more balanced it is, the more happy you are. So you should know that other than career, other than money, or other than health, there are many other things also which you need to take care of, right? So make sure on the weekends, or sometime, once in a week or twice a week, you do go out and have some fun in life. So with friends, you should keep in touch with your friends and everything. So it's very important to have a balanced life like this and take care of each and every activity. Yeah.
Yes, yes. Yes, Priyanka, that's a wonderful exercise you have told us. So we have understood this circle of life or wheel of life, but how to check every day that we are going right way. This we understood. By wheel of life, we will understand that I'm lacking for this, but how to maintain a record that we are giving good amount of time for every parameter of this life.
Okay, so for that also there is one planner which you can use, like something like this, where you can just make a list of the things where what you have lacked in career, and write down what exactly do you want to do in your career, how much do you want to achieve, when do you want to achieve, what are your goals. So you can write all your goals here related to career. Then you can make your goals related to family, and also your improvement plan and work plan. How are you going to improve? And what do you mean by significance? Means something really important people in your life, like your love life, your romantic life, which is how important, this is the most important thing in your life. So how much you are able to give time, and what steps are you taking, you are going to take in your life to improve this particular section. What are your goals, what are your like hindrances which you need to overcome in every path. So you need to figure out in each and everything, you can make an improvement plan where you can write your goals, write your steps to improve, and that will help you to be more planned in life. Then you can make your goals related to yearly goals, weekly goals, or your daily goals, like to-do list or something like that. So this way, if you do have your goal planner, that way it will be more easy for you to achieve these goals and make your life a little more balanced in life, so that you're less stressful. So because family, friends, fun and recreation, these and personal growth, these things make a lot of important role where your leisure time is concerned, where your relaxation is concerned, where you really have fun and have a break, where your career and your work is concerned. So related to more of relaxation, you can concentrate more on your fun and recreation, family, and your personal growth. Okay, so this will help you to become less of anxious, and less stressful in life, and enjoy your career as well. Because what happens is, because of having too much of career, actually it becomes really monotonous, it becomes just a routine, and most of the time routine becomes actually a little boring in life. So it's very important to break that routine sometimes and do something different, right? In fact, there was a routine of somebody's life that every weekend they used to go for movies, but they used to go for only movies, nothing else. So that was also a
Yes,
routine. It
yes.
became a routine, like every Sunday you just go for a movie and you come back. That's not leisure, right? So you need some change. Change is constant, you know. So change is like
Yes.
you need change. The change, without change, things are going to become boring in life. So
Yes.
the same way, you need to work on these things one by one and make sure that you have a balanced life.
Yes. Yes, as you can see, stop living your life on autopilot mode and start living life more focused. And from these two wonderful exercises given by Priyanka, we have understood what are lacking we in our life and what to be focused for. So these are just two exercises, and Priyanka has wonderful many exercises, and she even have the emotional management course workbook printed published right now. So you can enjoy that also with her course. So definitely for knowing more about this course and more about the balancing of your life and relationship and parenting, join her course. I will be giving a link in description box below. And if you like this podcast series and if you want to discuss many more things, then like, share, subscribe this channel, and also mention in comment section what are your needs, what are your questions, so that we can discuss it in our future videos. So thank you, Priyanka. Thank you so much for coming here and giving us so much of information, which is very
Thank you so much,
helpful for all of us.
Sudra. Thank you so much for inviting me.